Welcome to Everyday Tech, where we explain tech without the tech talk. In today's video, I explain what cloud computing is. Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered, what exactly is the cloud? You're probably using it every day without even realizing it. From streaming your favorite shows to backing up your photos, cloud computing makes modern life more convenient and connected. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Cloud computing is like a virtual storage and service hub available through the internet. Instead of saving files or running software on your computer, you access them online. Think of it as renting space and tools from a super secure, super powered computer network, so you don't need to own or maintain the tech yourself. Here's an example. Imagine the cloud as a gigantic shared library. Instead of buying books to keep at home, like saving files on your computer, you borrow them. The books are stored in a library that you access anytime, anywhere. All you need is a library card, or in this case, an internet connection. This library has more than just books. You can also check out tools like word processors, photo editors, or even video games. The best part? You don't need to worry about running out of space on your shelves or your hard drive. You might be wondering, if my data isn't on my computer, then where is it? Great question. Cloud storage happens in massive data centers, specialized facilities with thousands of powerful computers storing and managing data for people like you. These data centers are ultra secure, with systems that back up your files and keep them safe. Think of them as high-tech digital vaults where your information is stored. Thanks to these data centers, you don't need to worry about losing files if your device breaks. It's all safely in the cloud. Ever sent an email using Gmail or shared a file on Google Drive? That's cloud computing in action. Streaming services like Netflix or Spotify also use the cloud. Their shows and songs aren't downloaded to your device. You're accessing them directly from their servers in real time. Businesses love the cloud too. Small companies can use cloud services to run big operations without owning costly hardware. For instance, a small bakery might use a cloud-based app to manage their orders, track deliveries, or even analyze sales trends, without needing a complicated IT setup. The cloud makes life easier in so many ways. First, it's cost-effective. Instead of spending money on expensive storage devices, you can use affordable or even free cloud services. Second, it saves space on your devices, giving you more room for what matters most. It also makes collaboration a breeze. Have you ever worked on a shared document with classmates or colleagues in Google Docs? Cloud tools let you and others edit files simultaneously, no matter where you are. It's fast, seamless, and incredibly convenient. You might hear concerns like, is the cloud safe? Absolutely. Cloud companies invest heavily in encryption, firewalls, and other security measures. While it's always good to use strong passwords and practice caution, cloud security is typically better than what most personal devices can offer. Another myth. The cloud is expensive. Not true. With options like free storage tiers or affordable monthly subscriptions, you only pay for what you need. Whether you're a student, professional, or hobbyist, there's a cloud service that fits your budget. The beauty of cloud computing is that it fits into every lifestyle. Need to free up space on your phone? Use cloud storage. Want to work on projects with friends or co-workers remotely? Cloud apps can help. Whether it's saving files, running programs, or streaming media, there's a cloud solution for everyone. Now that you see how the cloud simplifies and enhances our digital lives, it's the perfect time to explore it yourself. Start by trying free cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox to back up your photos or share files. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for